so now I have two. Shit. Now I have two. There's the baby. And if you look through here, there's the other one. That's the mom, it looks like. Two, I have three. Holy shit, I have three. I've got three right here. Not two, three. This must be the mom and the two babies. I don't like the look on her face. It's like she sees her reflection or something. Hope she's not getting nervous. Okay, I'm totally not gonna have any bushes left. This is killing me, Connie. Oops. There we go.